How to block ChatGPT in iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings. Here we go. Scroll down. Over here you can find this option of screen time. Open it. Scroll down. Now open this option content and privacy restrictions. Make sure you have enabled this toggle on content and privacy restrictions. Now here you can see this option of content restrictions. Open it. Scroll down. You can find this option of web content. Open it. Now set it to limit all websites. Now here you will get two sections, always allow and never allow. Under never allow you will get this option of add website. Tap on it and then type in openai.com and then tap on done and you are done. Now just open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Safari. At the bottom you can see the search bar, type in there OpenAI and you can see that there is error. In this way you can easily block ChatGPT in iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.